Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the top tricks on the VIVO X200 FE. Alright, so let's go straight into our settings. Once we are here, let's scroll down and let's find the dynamic effects. And let's begin with them. So we have a lot of effects that we can change, starting from the home screen effects, fingerprint effects, charging effects, and USB insertion effects. So maybe let's begin with the home screen transition animation. In here we have a preview how each mode looks when we are opening the app, for example. So we have the three modes. It can also be none, but we can change them in here. To select, simply click on one of them, then click on apply, and now it has been successfully set. So that when it comes to the home transition animation. We also have a home screen entering animation after unlock. We have fly out by Leia, fly out, fly in, and fly in by Leia. Defaultly it's set on none, but you can pick between those four possible options. So I'll select the fly out, click on apply, and now it has been successfully set. Next thing, fingerprint icon animation. That's the default one, but we have seven others. In here we have a preview how each one looks. Now let's select it, for example, that one. Okay, click on apply. I have my fingerprint set, so I'll show you that it actually changed. It's right in here, and it works still. That's the icon animation. We have also the recognition animation, so when we place our finger, we have that effect, but we have many others. We can change them. In here we have a whole list, so let's say I'll select that one, I'll click on apply, and now I'll place my fingerprint just to show you that it actually worked. You could see the effect, I hope. I'll show you again. Boom. Now our effect has been changed. And we also have the face recognition animation. We also have the charging animation. That's the basic one, and it's displayed when our screen is turned off. So now I'll plug the USB cable to show you. So that's the default one. And now maybe let's select something else, maybe the shuttle. Click on apply, and now maybe let's plug again. Okay, and now we have our new animation. So we can adjust almost anything when it comes to that. And also the USB insertion animation. That's the basic one. Let's select this one, for example. Click on apply. I'll turn off the screen just to show you. Okay, you could see that it worked. So they're pretty cool things. We also have screen off animation, and we can select them in here also. Okay, I don't need my cable for now. We also have the dynamic light, which is also pretty cool. It's located in here, our dynamic light, and we can enable it or disable it, and we can select the active period of it, and we have the hour. It can also be set on all day, but you can select the schedule, just like it was before I changed it. And it will be flashing when the incoming call is coming, or, for example, when a notification came in. But you need to select it if you want this to work. Okay, I think we can go from here into the downside until we find shortcut and accessibility. And let's begin with the shortcut actions. Let's begin with the super screenshot. In here we have a list of screenshots that we have. Let's click on screenshot guide, and we have a few things and few methods how we can take a screenshot. So we have a quick screenshot via gesture. We need to use our three fingers, and we need to simply swipe, just like that. You can see that the screenshot has been taken. Let's go straight into other thing. Screenshot via buttons. It is the most common option. Simply tap power button and volume down button. Boom, I think that's pretty known feature. Next thing, is swipe down with 3 fingers and hold to take an area screenshot. So let's hold. Okay, just like that. And now I can select the part of the screen that I want to take a screenshot of. So maybe I only want that text which is down below, just like that. Below we can change the shape of our screenshot. So now it's a circle, now it's rounded, it can even be a heart, and many others, even the pawn. It looks pretty cool. When it comes to the lasso, you can, for example, only select using your finger, and the area that you have selected using your finger will be now selected. But I want the normal one, just like that. And now to save it, click in here. If you click on that icon, you can share with it. And also you can click on edit, and you can edit your screenshot. You can, for example, draw something on it, add the text, change the shape, and many more. Okay, and next screenshot is the Okay, now we need to hold like that. Okay, and now we can slide to the downside to select the part of the screen that we want to take a screenshot of. Now I want that part, release, and simply click on save to save your screenshot. Now record screen is pretty common feature. Open up your notification bar, go to the right side, and the record screen option is right in here. If you click on agree, you can simply record your screen. Okay, and next thing is the long screenshot. We need to take a normal screenshot, and thanks to that we will be able to take a scrolling screenshot. So let's take it. Now let's click on long screenshot. And now we have a possibility to scroll. There's no much to scroll because we are in the home screen, so it won't work, but it works in the best way. For example, when you are in the browser, you are in some kind of a page, and then you can take the best screenshot. I mean the movie screenshot. If you want to save, click on save in here. Boom. And now it's saved in our gallery. And next screenshot is the super screenshot panel, which I didn't even know about. We need to open up this bar, and now let's click on super screenshot. And here we have like the whole menu and like a shortcut for all of our gestures that we can take. So from here we can record the screen, take a long screenshot, capture area screenshot, or record the animation even. Okay, and the last thing is the super screenshot. But it works when we are in the split screen mode. And you can see like a preview how you can take that screenshot. All right. When it comes to those things, for example, we can use the display touch trajectory when we are recording the screen. We can even record the system audio when we are recording the screen, and many others. You can see all the things and features right in here. If you want, you can enable them, of course. Okay, that was the super screenshot. Now let's go into the smart motion, and let's click on the smart screen on or off. In here we have a few features that we can turn on. So we have the raise to wake, double tap to wake, keep screen on while viewing, or double tap to turn off. Let me enable the first two features just to show you. So raise to wake, picking up the phone when the screen is off, will turn it on automatically. So let's try. Let's turn off our screen. Now when I lift it up, boom, the screen turns on automatically, and I don't need to do this manually. So I think it's one of the coolest features actually, because you don't need to tap on your screen, use your power button. You just simply boom, you grab your phone, you lift it up. Let's try again. You lift it up, the screen is on, and it is ready to use. Okay, double tap to wake. It is also pretty common, but worth showing when we are when the screen is off. Double tap to see the notifications and a lot of stuff. And now the screen unlocks, but also turns on, not unlocks, because it requires my screen lock to unlocking the device. Okay, keep screen on while viewing. When the front camera detects that you are looking at the screen will stay on. So, if you want, you can enable it. And the last thing is double tap to turn off. And double tap the blank area on the illuminated and locked interface or standby interface to turn the screen off. We can also turn it on. Okay, now let's go into the smart calling. We have the smart answer, smart switch, and the smart mute. When it comes to the smart answer, when receiving a call, place the phone near your ear to automatically pick up the call. It is also pretty cool. So now when someone is calling us, let's say my left hand is my ear, and now simply place, when someone is calling, of course, place your device next to your ear, just like you would have normally talk, and the call will be automatically answered. Then we have the smart switch. When using hands-free calling, bring the phone up to your ear automatically, switch to handheld mode. And also the smart mute. When the phone rings, cover the screen with your hand to mute the call. So let's say now someone is calling me, simply do something like that, and it will stop calling. Oh, there was one thing. Okay, we have also shake to turn on the torch. It is a pretty cool feature also, because we don't need to unlock the phone to open up the torch. We can simply use that feature. So all we need to do now is to but we need to we need to be on the home screen. So now when I'll shake this device, the torch should launch, and actually it did. But when I'll shake again, it doesn't want to turn off, so it only works in one way. And let me show you that again. So now it's turned off. Now it's turned on. But you can only turn it on. You cannot turn it off using the same gesture. Weird thing, but we cannot beat that. Okay. Next thing is the quick action. Yep. So when the screen is off this time, press and hold the volume down button to enable the specified features. Make sure it's enabled. And we have three features. So it can turn on or turn off the torch. It can start recording. It can open up the Facebook, but in my case it's uninstalled, or it can open up the app. And if you click on that, simply select which app will be opened. In my case, let's select the Chrome, for example. So now when I'll hold the volume down button when the screen is off, the Chrome should launch. Now I need to also write my screen lock, and the Chrome automatically launched, as you can see. Now let's try with the torch. Simply hold, and as you can see, now the torch is turned on. Now I'll hold to turn it off, just like pretty simple. Alright, and the next and the last thing in here on the bottom is quick action for camera. When the screen is off, double press the volume down button to launch the camera. So let's try it. And the camera app launched, as you can see, and we can take photos. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.